Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is how to create many Gmail accounts without phone number verification. So before we start our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. Also press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our every new video. Let's get started. We have three working methods to sign up Google account without number verification. Number 1 is open the browser Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. In browser Mozilla Firefox, click menu on the upper right corner and select new private window mode as shown below. It will display the new page and go to gmail.com. We create a new Gmail account to create an email account Gmail. Number browser in Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome browser, clicks on top corner and select new incognito window mode as shown below. It will display the new page and go to gmail.com. We create a new account, create an Gmail account. Fill in all the fields provided like name, different, real username of email, password, date of birth, etc. The phone column, make it empty. Later in the skip this verification, make it unchecked and enter the CAPTCHA. The final step, click next step. Until the above step, you will be promoted to add a profile photo to complete the registration process. Gmail account is. Just skip this step by clicking the step next or later, because basically Gmail account that you created has been completed and now you can use your Gmail account such as usual or refer to in the article to find out more about how to choose Gmail and register Gmail and Gmail account to the social media such as Facebook. You can read the tutorial in Sign Up Facebook. Method number 2. Try this method if you have a single mobile number. How can you create many Gmail accounts with verified status by using one phone number? It has been said in the original article before, Google limits Gmail account creation just as much as 5 pieces of a number mobile. Because of these restrictions, many people offering as or selling Gmail account. Buying a Gmail account is legitimate if you have excess money, busy because a lot of work, lazy or other reasons just had a phone number. Here's a solution that is right for you to have Gmail account status verified without any restriction for Google. Create unlimited account with just one number. Create new Gmail with normal process with a single mobile number, or just use the old account which you created with Gmail account. Now log in with your Gmail account which has been created with mobile number verification. Under personal information and privacy, your personal information. In your personal information, click phone option with contains a registered mobile number. Next, click on edit option and remove the registered mobile number and confirm removal. That's it. Now your number is new. To create new Gmail account by repeating this process, your number won't get blacklisted. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. So take care, goodbye.